Hello again.
Yay, Pokemon.
We have a Korean Best of XY Pokemon booster box. I've already opened some packs because I couldn't contain myself, but I think I have 12 packs left. No, 9. I don't know why I said 12. 9 packs left. And all the cards in these sets are like a shatter full looking. That's not what they're really called, but that's what they look like. And it has one holo in it, or reverse holo, or you can get a EX, a Mega, or a Break. So yeah. And once again, I'm not a Pokemon person. I'm just opening this for shits and giggles. So I do not know the names of the Pokemon. If that bothers you, please stop watching the video now. We are Yu-Gi people. And we don't even know all the names of the Yu-Gi-Oh cards in Korean.
I'm Yu-Gi-Oh people. You buy Pokemon cards.
I just recently. I don't know any of the newer stuff though. I'm an old school Poke person.
As you can tell, Lauren likes to buy Korean stuff.
Obviously.
Because it's cheap.
It is.
And some
cool.
of the rarities of the cards and stuff are really cool.
Alrighty. Oh, we got something. I see it shining. That's a... I can't think of it.
Zapdos.
Yeah, I know that one. Crystal Reindeer.
A crystal reindeer.
And we got a EX. I don't know what this one is.
As you can see, the foiling on them is like...
Yeah, look at that.
Really different. It's really cool, actually.
So there. We got one. Open.
I don't know. I might call the dog a cat or something. I don't know what that is.
You got something shiny too.
Is that a bat? Ooh, that's cool looking. What is that? What's this?
That's a lamp something.
Ooh, is that Caesar? I think it is. Look at the foiling on that. Good lord. Is that Caesar? I think it is.
You already said that.
I'm pretty sure it is, but it's a Mega EX. And I think it's Caesar or something. He's really cool.
Now we're pulling all the EXs. The ones I opened earlier, I only pulled like 1 or 2 and a Break. Pikachu. I know that one. And a Holo Energy. That's pretty cool. I've already got 2. Not of this one, but...
Featuring
Martin,
cats.
stop it.
These
Martin, we're trying to film a
cards
video.
feel
Do you mind?
way different. He's a cat. He doesn't care. What's this guy? Pinsar? I think. I don't remember. I don't know what that one is.
It's a water monster.
It's a water. Is that? Oh, it's a trainer. It's not N, is it? I don't know. It's foil. All these cards are foil. Well, there's like a foil card and then like shatter foil, or I don't know what you'd call it.
God forbid us say the wrong technical term for that too. Jesus. They chew us new buttholes around here in the Pokemon world.
It's a cow.
It's a stingray.
He's a cow. I forgot about that one. I do remember seeing that guy. The cow Pokemon.
I don't know what happened to Mr. Mime, because that was my favorite Pokemon.
That's the Cubone? No. Cuboid? Something like that.
You guys
This is the cow again. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's a stingray. What we got? Ooh.
I don't know what it is.
I don't know who that is.
But it's a fancy card.
It's an EX.
Such entertaining videos.
It looks like a frog. Or something. I don't know. Cool.
Cool stuff, bro. We get a spider.
A spider.
A weird looking thing. This weird looking thing that morphs into this thing. And this thing. And a stupid trainer card. I've gotten a shit ton of trainer cards out of this box. It's a monkey cat.
Yeah. Or a mouse. A monkey cat. It's something, that's for sure.
I can't think of that one's name.
Yeah.
I know it.
I don't know. He's like a steel one or something. I can't remember that one's name either. And a trainer.
Ooh, trains. Trains for days.
Last one.
Will we pull anything cool? He looks creepy in that artwork. I don't like it.
Zapdos.
No, we pull a trainer. Alright, guys. Sorry. I hope that was somewhat amusing for you.
Well, we got 3 EXs.
Yeah.
And a Mega. Well, one's a Mega, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that one's a Mega. I think it's Caesar. And those are cool. So, yeah.
Alright, guys. Bye.